Our simulations have been designed to work seamlessly in an online environment. Let's walk through the process on how you can run one 100% virtually. First, define your course objectives with one of our advisors, such as, what are your learning goals? What is your course format? How many participants will play? Next, register as an instructor. Our team will then set up the course with your preferred simulation and show you how to run it via our cloud-based platform. Then, with the help of a video platform such as Zoom, you can facilitate the simulation. Utilize our intro presentation to explain the rules and the learning goals of the simulation and debrief charts to show the team's progress. Teams can connect from anywhere in the world and make decisions at their own pace or all at the same time. Use the synchronous parts of your course or your virtual office hours to consult the teams, for example, via Zoom breakout rooms. Use the asynchronous part to have students connect in their teams and make strategic decisions in the simulation. Use the schedule to program when and how you want the simulation to run. For example, if you have teams in different time zones, you can have decisions run asynchronously for each industry or market, or choose to run the decisions at the same time for all. Take advantage of the online tools embedded in the simulation to help analyze participant progress. Through the simulation platform, monitor participant behavior to see how students are engaging with the simulation and take steps about those who do not engage at all. Use various online quizzes to test learning outcomes. They are graded automatically. Turn on the automated machine learning feedback coach to provide the analysis of what happened in their market and with their brands to show insights to each team based on previous decisions. Use a coaching sheet to guide participants with direct applicable tips on how they can make strategic and concrete improvements. Utilize your students' performance to assign individual or team homework based on the embedded dynamic comparative data and reduce the number of case studies. Grant loans to help students invest in new markets and have other teams critique applicants' business plans in a Dragon Den or Shark Tank competition. Have participants record their own video presentation of their strategy at the end of the simulation to show lessons learned. Upload videos to the platform so peers and instructors can collaborate online and assess tactics.